We are back into the kitchen today for day 19. I thought I always love doing cooking videos. So today I am making a black bean and butter bean hummus. So creamy and delicious and so easy. I'm using my Thermomix, but if you haven't got a Thermomix, just use your food processor or whatever you've got. And if you haven't got a food processor, you need one and you need a Thermomix. This is something that I always have some form of hummus in the fridge because that is what I snack on. And I also often I will form our meals around. Like the other day I did a lamb dish and we had a Greek meal and I put a base of hummus on the bottom, then I put the lamb on the top, and then we had a Greek salad and feta and olives. And it just, if you've got those types of things in the fridge, then you can create delicious, healthy meals. Hummus is fantastic to go with crackers. It is fantastic in sandwiches. It's fantastic if it's just a dollop on the side to go with your salad, or it might be with your frittata or quiche or whatever you're having. Black bean and butter bean, normally it would be cannellini beans, but I had no other beans in my pantry. You've always got beans in your pantry. Generally, you should always have beans in your pantry. And this literally takes 5 minutes to whip up. So there is no excuse to not eat healthy. I promise you, but it just takes a little bit of planning. Now, I don't really have ingredient quantities because I'd kind of just throw in, but if you want me to share the ingredients that I'm putting in, then I am happy to. Just comment below. So I have drained off my black beans and my butter beans. Just when I think I've got everything out, I didn't have my spatula out, so canned is absolutely fine. Just make sure you really rinse well to get rid of the sodium content. I've got a couple of cloves of garlic. I've got some coriander, ground coriander, and some cayenne pepper because I like a bit of bite. I've got some, this is key, lemon rind and lemon juice. Delicious. A little pinch of salt. A pour. Now if you do want the quantities, I could kind of just put it together for you. That's some olive oil, and then I've got some tahini. So do you make your own hummus, or is it something that you buy, or do you wish that you would make your own and you don't know how to? Would love to know. Or you don't have a strong enough food processor, or all of those. And then I've got some fresh coriander. Hummus, when you've got the base ingredients, you can flavour up just so many different, you could do beetroot hummus, kumara hummus, pumpkin hummus, roasted. Okay, so I'm just going into manual mode, and I've just discovered that they've got little prompts at the bottom of the TM6, on the TM7, and so I can go instantly to 10 seconds, whereas I normally am scrolling through, and I'm just going to do speed 10. So this is 10 seconds on speed 10, and you probably can't hear this, and you think that it's super quiet. The TM7 is way quieter, but there is still noise. And because of the lemon juice and the lemon rind, that's the natural preservative. And look at that, 10 seconds, and I have got beautiful, smooth hummus, and it smells amazing. So now I put that into an airtight container, put it in the fridge. I'm going to have that with my lunch, and that lasts a couple of weeks at least in the fridge. So let me know if you want me to type out the recipe for you. If that would be helpful, then I'm more than happy to do that. But yeah, would love to know, do you make hummus or do you buy it, or what stops you from having it in the fridge? Okay, see you later. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.